Hey guys, so everybody liked the Chamberlain programming video that we did so much. We're going to go through a Genie really quick. If you ever lose one of these, we're going to show you how to clear them out. What we're going to do is go to the program set button and hold it until it turns blue. It's going to flash purple at us. We're going to press and hold our up and down arrows at the same time until that light goes solid. Now our remotes are no longer programmed. You can see that it's registering a signal, but it will not go. Now we need to program them back. So if we go and we hit our program set button and hold it, what you'll notice is we get a green or a purple flashing light. We're going to press and release the button we want to program once, press it twice, and we get a solid blue light, and now we're programmed. If you have a second remote, it's the same process. We'll take the program button we want, press once, press twice, solid green light, and we're programmed. Hey everybody, we have gone over programming our limits on regular overhead ops with Chamberlain, some with Genie. Now we're going to do it with a Genie Jackshaft 6170. So to program our up limit, we're going to press and hold our up arrow until we get that noise where our lock is unlocking and we get a flashing blue light on our small round LED. We're going to press and hold our up arrow until our door gets in the up position. Then, once we get it set in the up position, you are able to toggle back and forth if you would like, but I like where mine's sitting right here at the base of my header. We're going to hit the program set button. You'll get a flashing blue light and then a solid green light saying that that limit is set. What we will now do is program our down limit. Press the down button and hold it until you get the flashing blue light. Then we will press and hold the down button until the door goes all the way down. You want your door just to sit flush on the ground and shut all the way. That's perfect. So what we're going to do is hit our program and set button. So we have our wall button right here. We're going to run this door 2 complete cycles. So all the way up and all the way down is 1 full cycle. And we're going to do that twice. That way this unit can remember the forces it used to pick the door up and put the door down. And once we get through that process, we're completely done with our programming. It's a pretty smooth functioning door. We'll go ahead and get you guys a wider look here. So we're going to hit our wall button again and let our door go through 1 more complete cycle. All the way up and all the way down. Last thing we have is the light. They come pre-programmed, so what we will do is take and plug it in. It should turn on and flash. And just to make sure we have the correct light, there's a light button here. Turn it on, it works. Turn it off. Thank you guys for watching. If you did like this video, hit the subscribe link and go check out our next video where we actually installed these on garage doors. That way you can see them throughout the entire installation process. Have a great day. Thanks again.